Okay guys, so here we go with the front yard tour. Just trying to wait for the sun to go away. Let me come from this angle. Here we have cat's pajamas. I think it's called Proven Winners. And in the middle here, I have a Supertunia, Proven Winners, Picasso in purple. I have 3 of them here. Then in here and there, I have 2 kinds of purple petunias. One is the wave petunia, and this one is called Pretty Grand Midnight. You can see the difference in the purple. That's a wave petunia. I've added those. Hopefully they'll spread out nicely. Here was another petunia. I don't have the name, and I chopped it back to, get it to bush out. Here is one of my bobos. I have 2. This one and this one here. I don't know what's happening here. Looks like something's coming. So those are 2 bobo hydrangeas. Here we have a boxwood. And then I have some Dusty Miller. This one's called Silver Dust. So I'm dropping the name tags. Anyway. We have 2 of them. There were 3. Oh, there's 3. There's one there. Okay, and then here I have daylilies. 3. I believe this one is that pale yellow daylily that reblooms. It's called Happy Returns, I believe. Right here is one of my favorite hydrangeas. It's small. It's Firelight Tidbit. This won't bloom till closer to fall, and boy, when it blooms, you're gonna be blown away by the blooms. Beautiful. So I have 2 of them. Here's the other one. Here's another boxwood, and those were planted last year, so they're putting on, I think they're sprinter boxwoods. And then here I planted these today. Looking a little petrified, but hopefully you can appreciate the beauty. These are called, give me one moment. So I check my tags. This is made by, or grown by Monrovia. It's called Archangel Dark Purple Angelonia. I have 3 of them. And then here and there, I have these calla lilies, which unfortunately, I should have pictures when they were blooming. Here's one that's hanging on to a couple of blooms. These 3 here are the same variety, and I cannot find the tag. Wait, am I aiming right? So I chopped back the flowers, and this one popped out with these 2, so I don't know if that encouraged it. New to calla lilies. That's really pretty, right? And then this one here was, or is, let's see, let me get the name tags together here, sorry. This one is Pink Puppy Calla Lily, grown by Monrovia. And some of the leaves get this beautiful reddish variegation, which I like. Right here I have Proven Winners Amazing Daisy series. This one is Banana Cream 2. It's supposed to be a better version of the Banana Cream. And as you can see, it's about to pop out with some blooms. And over there, I have Sunny Keys Oriental Lily, which is a really pretty pink and, just a variety of colors. You'll see soon. Should be blooming soon. Now over here is the rest of my front yard. Here I have Oriental Lily that I think I'm going to move. because it's leaning toward it. I just have to find a better spot. Another daylily. And here is another calla lily, pink puppy. I should have gotten pictures of it when it was at its prime. Beautiful, beautiful blooms. Boxwoods. And right here, this is an oak leaf hydrangea that's in a pot. Here's the name. So I'll give you the right name. Ruby Slippers. And I don't know if you can see that, but the reason I bought that is really for the foliage. But this year, she is really giving me some blooms. And I'm happy to see. I didn't get much last year. Then here I have this little bed. Here's another oriental lily. I believe the white ones. I don't remember. And this here, this coleus, I'll put the name up on the screen later, as well as this begonia here. I don't have the tags. This is coral bells, heuchera. And then here I have, what are these called again? I'll think of a name, I'm sorry guys. Here we have the New Guinea Impatiens, and it looks like it's going to be a red one, but it's not. It's actually a beautiful like pink fuchsia color. And here's some more of that coleus. And then here I have that Rex begonia you may have seen on a video already. Fell in love with it, so we're going to see how it does here. And here also is the heuchera, coral bells, that didn't have a specific name, but look at those pretty flowers. So that's it. And these two big gigantic bushes are euonymus. And there you go. Welcome home.